Before we are going to look for the derivative of the given function, we're supposed to rewrite this function by changing the square roots to the exponents. So I have y is equal 2 over x to power 1/2 minus x to power 1/2. Because I have in the denominator x to power 1/2, I'm going to bring this up. So I have 2x to power negative 1/2 minus x to power 1/2. Next, I'm supposed to find the derivative of the given function. So I have y prime is equal constant 2 times the exponent negative 1/2 x negative 1/2 minus 1 is equal negative 3 over 2 minus, in this case, power, right? So I have 1/2 x. 1/2 minus 1 is equal negative 1/2. So I have y prime is equal, 2 and 2 will cancel out. I have negative x, negative 3 over 2 minus 1/2 x negative 1/2. This is my first derivative. If I want to find the second derivative, I'm supposed to find the derivative of this expression. So I have y b's is equal negative, and power is negative 3 over 2 x. I have negative 3 over 2 minus 1 is equal negative 5 over 2 minus 1/2 times the exponent negative 1/2 x. Negative 1/2 minus 1 is equal negative 3 over 2. So second derivative is equal negative times negative gives me positive 3 over 2 x negative 5 over 2. Negative times negative gives me positive 1 over 4 x negative 3 over 2. Next, we're supposed to find the derivative, right? Second derivative for x equals 4. So what we are going to do over here, let me convert the exponents to the radicals. Okay, so I have 3 over 2, and I have negative exponent. That's why I'm going to have square root x to the 5th power in the denominator plus 1 over 4, and I have square root x to the 3rd power. So we can write that y b's for x equals 4 is equal 3 over 2 square root 4 to the 5th power plus 1 over 4 to the 3rd power. We can rewrite this as 3 over 2 square root of 4 to the 5th power plus 1 over 4 square root of 4 to the 3rd power. This is equal 3 over 2 times square root of 4 is equal to 2 to the 5th is 32, so 32 plus 1 over 4, so 1 over 4, square root of 4 is 2, 2 to the 3rd is equal 8. Okay, so this is equal 3 over 2 times 32 is equal 64 plus 1 over 4 times 8 is equal 32. Okay, so this is equal. The common denominator is 64, so I have 3 over 64 plus 2 over 64. This is equal 5 over 64, and this is my answer to this problem.